Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. pTron is known for bringing amazing true wireless earphones in a budget price, and recently they have launched two new neckband, Tension Lite and Tension Beat, which are available at Rs 499 and 699. And apart from that, they have also launched a new true wireless earbuds, and it's the Bassbuds Urban, which is priced at Rs 1299. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this newly launched true wireless earbuds. In the front of the box we have the pTron branding, and here is a picture of the earbuds with the charging case, and they are the pTron Bassbuds Urban. At the back we have some key features such as you get the 400 mAh charging case, 5 hours of playback time, and they offer 500 hours of standby time. The capacity of the earbuds is 50 mAh. They're available in 3 colors, black, brown and rose gold, and the one we have here is the black variant. And guys, you also get a 1-year warranty with these earbuds. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the charging case itself, and the charging case feels pretty good. You also have this carrying strap attached here, and then in the box we get the earbuds, and they are the in-ear style. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user manual, and it has the detailed info about the pairing and the touch controls. And then we get the extra ear tips, and you also get the micro USB charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Starting with the charging case, the build quality is really good, and I find the design a bit unique, especially with this carrying case. You have the rubberized texture on the top, and it sort of looks like the leather finish. In the middle you have the shiny line going through, and here you have the micro USB charging port. And on this side you have the battery indicator, which turns on when you place the earbuds for charging, letting you know the available battery in the charging case. The battery capacity of the case is 400 mAh, which will give you additional 15 hours of playback time. And guys, I also find this charging case lightweight, and it weighs only 42 grams. And also, the door of the case feels pretty good, and I find the quality pretty decent, keeping in mind the price of these earbuds. Now looking at the earbuds, they are lightweight and weighs just 4 grams each. And in these earbuds you have the touch panel, which let you perform different actions, which I will show you in a moment. And guys, I'll be honest with you that getting a touch control earbuds in this price range is unbelievable. Now in terms of the overview of the earbuds, you have the LED light here on the top next to the pTron branding. And you also have the mic on both the earbuds, which will allow you to take calls hands-free as well as use Google Assistant. Pairing these earbuds with the phone is really easy, as they support quick pairing. So for the first time, you would need to take both the earbuds out of the charging case, and once you see the blinking LED light, you will see them in your available Bluetooth device list. And here you can see they are paired with our phone. Now let me show you different touch controls. So you have the double tap to pause and play music, triple tap on the right earbud will change the soundtrack. Triple tap on the left earbud will take you back to the previous soundtrack. You can also call Google Assistant or Siri by long pressing on any of the earbud for 2 to 3 seconds. In these earbuds, you also have the volume control, and if you touch the right earbud once, it will increase the volume. And to decrease the volume, touch once on the left earbud. Now talking about the performance, first of all they are really comfortable, as they are lightweight, you can use them for long hours. Now about the sound quality, vocals are clear, instrument separation is also pretty decent, and if you're a bass lover, you will like the output of these earbuds. The Bassbuds Urban are also loud, and the clarity is also pretty good. And guys, keeping in mind the pricing and the features you're getting, I would say that I'm happy with the performance of these earbuds. I have also used them for watching movies and videos, and they perform pretty good with no lag. But for gaming, there is some lag, but if you play casual games, then you won't face any issue. So overall the pTron Bassbuds Urban offers stylish and trendy design charging case, which is lightweight and easy to carry. The build quality and the design is definitely very good in this price segment. The sound output is pretty decent as expected from a budget true wireless earbuds. The battery life is also good, and during our testing, we got approximately 15 hours of playback time with the charging case. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a TWS earphones under Rs 1500 price range, then do check the pTron Bassbuds Urban. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the pTron Bassbuds Urban True Wireless Earbuds. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us your favorite feature of these earbuds in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.